Hi guys. I feel like everyone says that. Okay. Hi everybody. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel because this is my first video. Today we are going to be beating this face because as you will see in a couple of seconds, this is not what I look like when I wake up. So, if you would like to see how I did this, then please keep watching. Thanks. I'm going to be using the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation in Desert Beige. I also haven't been able to go tanning during quarantine, so this color looks a lot darker than what I am right now, but this is what I usually look like, and it usually matches me perfect. Clearly, this is darker than the rest of my body. I'm going in with Tarte's Shape Tape Concealer in Fair Neutral. And you don't need a lot of this. It blends out really nicely. So I kind of just go right here. And I do the high points of my face. Okay, so after you blended in the concealer, you are going to want to get a baking powder. I use the Revolution's Luxury Baking Powder in Banana. So for contour, which is our next step, I use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Kit in light to medium. I have used this quite a bit. So for my cheekbones, I'm going to be using a Chanel No. 7 brush. And I am going to go in with this color right here. So I'm going to go in and add this to where my cheekbone starts and a little above it. Now that the contour is done, I keep touching my hair. I am obsessed with this MAC highlighter. It is my go-to. It is my favorite. It is the Superb Extra Dimension Skin Finish. It is so gorgeous. It's like this rose gold undertone. It is so beautiful. You'll see in a minute. So I'm gonna go in with this NYX Cosmetics brush in 08. So I'm gonna apply this to the high points of my cheek. Woo. I'm gonna go back into this color in the Anastasia Contour Kit and go back to contouring my nose. I'm going to be taking another IT Cosmetics brush. This is actually their shadow brush from the Heavenly Luxe line that they came out with. Okay, so now that we blended everything out, for my nose I'm actually going to use the highlighter in the Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Kit palette. Okay, so now that our face is done and we have a blank canvas that is not so blank, we are going to go in and do eyebrows. For eyebrows, I use the Brow Stylist Designer by L'Oreal. You could literally find this in CVS. The color I use is dark brunette. So if you guys want a detailed tutorial on how I get my eyebrows, I could do that in a separate video, but if I explain it all, this video is literally going to be an hour long. Now to the eyes. The Naked Urban Decay Cherry Palette. So I think for the base, I'm going to keep it pretty simple and use this Caution color. I'm going to be using the brush that it comes with. So to darken my crease, I'm going to be using the shade Devilish. This one right here. So I'm going to apply Privacy right under the color that I just put in my crease. And I'm just going to apply it right below. I am really liking this Ambitious color. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. So once your eyeshadow is all blended out, you're going to move on to liquid liner. You could use any liner. I'm going to use liquid, but you could use pencil as well. I use the Kat Von D ink liner. It's waterproof in Trooper Black. Okay, so now that your black eyeliner is on and your eyelashes are white from all the powder, mascara next. We are using the Roller Lash by Benefit. This is my favorite mascara. I got it for Christmas, and ever since then, this is the only mascara that I use. After mascara, I am going to apply my go-to fake eyelashes. They are the Ardell Wispies. I think they're 113 on the packaging. It'll say Ardell Wispies and then 113 where the eyelashes go. Unfortunately, I don't have my packaging. I literally just have the eyelashes because I reuse mine. I clean them, but I reuse them. So yeah, those are the ones we're going to be using today. I've already applied glue on them, and I'm going to wait until they get tacky. And in the meanwhile, I'm going to be doing my lips. So I just lined my lips. I actually can't see what this lip liner is because I've had it for so long and the name has chipped off. But I'm gonna see if I could find out which one it is, but it is one of my favorites. Okay, my lips are done. I promise I will link the lip liner down below. I will find out what it is before I upload this video. And I use the Kylie matte lipstick in the color King K. This is what it looks like. The packaging is clearly rubbed off. So if I got that name wrong, I don't think I did. I think that's what she calls them, but I will also link it in the description. I need a better system. Okay, I just applied my eyelashes. And I'm gonna go do my hair, and I'll be back. I'm back. My hair's really greasy because, you know, no shower, quarantine vibes. I'm kidding, I shower, I just don't wash my hair every day. Okay, I hope you guys like this video. Please leave me any suggestions in the comment section down below on any other tutorials you would like to see, any makeup looks you want to see. whatever you guys want. Just comment down below, and please like this video and subscribe. Okay, enough of that.